mekos? Mekos sabaw?
Mercy upon us.
Ah. Sobrang sarap. Masarap. 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 Pare, what is this?
Chicken leg.
Stick mo? Shaw.
How many times did they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? I never know.
Sarap pa talaga, pare.
Masarap.
I want problems always.
Mekos sabaw? Testing sabaw in the street of Philippines. Can you see?
How many times
I
did
test
they
now.
tell you before you know
Mekos.
that Nigeria is not
Sobrang sarap.
God have
So,
mercy upon
what
us.
is this? Calamansi. I put inside like this. Sawa. Okay. Mekos. Listen.
70 years old man. You think say they wise? 70 years old man.
You will have a form too.
Mekos. Sobrang sarap. Masarap. 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 What is this?
Chicken leg.
Chicken leg. Magkano?
70 years old man.
5. Anak ko. Sobrang sarap.
How many times
Sobra?
did they tell you before you know
I test
that
now.
Nigeria is not
I test na. Sige, test mo.
Continue.
Masarap? I test mo. Kuya. I test na. Nakigaya ko kay
God
sarap.
have mercy upon us.
Sobrang sarap? Ay nga. I put here. This one? Stick? Stick more. Stick more? Saw mo. Saw ya.
God have mercy upon us.
Sarap talaga, pare. It tastes good.
Sana all.
You say they wise.
Mekos. Yeah.
How many times did they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not
Mekos. Sobra.
God have mercy upon
Sobrang
us.
sarap. Kuya, kamusta? Okay lang?
70 years old
Mamaya.
man. I don't want peace. I want problems always.
God have mercy
Yummy.
upon us.
Yeah, sobrang sarap. So yummy.